Are you looking for a relaxing day of fun and sun in the Bahamas? Then come with me as we explore MSC's private island, Ocean Cay. Hello everyone, this is Traveling Joe, and today we're going to be exploring MSC's newest island, Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and stick around to the end for a special announcement. Ocean Cay is an artificial island which was built by dredging in the late 1960s. It's an island in the Bahamas which is located 20 miles south of Bimini. It was used to mine aragonite sand for industrial purposes. As Ocean Cay was being developed, 7,500 tons of scrap metal and debris were removed from the island. In its place, 75,000 trees, shrubs, and plants were brought in that are native to the region to restore the island's original beauty. One of the great features of Ocean Cay is that the ship can dock right at the island. This means you don't have to take a boat from your ship or walk on a really long pier. As you step off the ship, there's an arrival plaza, which has information about the island. Adjacent to the arrival plaza is a tram station, which can transport you around the island. There's also a giant map, which tells you where everything is located. If you don't want to use the tram, you can certainly walk, as there are paths throughout the island, but please be advised you'll share them with the tram. Also at the Welcome Pavilion, you'll find the Excursion booth, which gives you information on all the excursions available. One of the most popular excursions is the Wave Runner Tour. The tour lasts about an hour and is fully guided and narrated. There are various boat tours available, including catamaran cruises. There are also kayak rentals, snorkeling, and paddleboarding. Check with the Excursions office for a complete list. Just past the Welcome Center is the shopping district. There are several brightly colored air-conditioned shops where you can purchase gifts and souvenirs. Here you'll find the Ocean Cay Visitor Center, the MSC Shop, the Ocean Cay Trading Post, and the Ocean Cay Bahamas Shop. Keep in mind that all of your purchases will be made with your cruise card. There is no cash or credit accepted on the island. There's a wide array of merchandise to choose from with over 1,000 new products. You'll find many of the typical items like t-shirts, sweatshirts, caps, but you'll also find a wide variety of Bahamian gifts. Much of the merchandise is handmade and offers authentic Bahamian shopping. Be sure to check it out. Nearby is the Smiling Fish Ice Cream Parlor. The ice cream parlor serves several flavors, all in a cone shaped like a fish. As you stroll around Ocean Cay, you'll come across several brightly colored buildings. This is where the full-time staff lives. Once lunchtime rolls around, you can head over to Seeker's Food Court. Here you'll find chicken, fish, hot dogs, hamburgers, and more. There are several picnic tables placed all around the buffet. A good part of this area is shaded. But if you don't want to go to the buffet, there are food trucks placed all across the island, and they too are complimentary. Now, of course, the most popular attractions at Ocean Cay are its beaches, and there are 8 beaches in total. The most popular of those beaches is Lighthouse Bay. This beach is located between the cruise ship and the lighthouse. This beach offers complimentary beach umbrellas, but get there early because they go pretty quickly. There are also numerous activities and entertainment throughout the day. Many other beaches have free lounge chairs. There are also cabanas available, but they cost extra. Both South Beach and North Beach are located across the lagoon from each other. As you can see, these beaches have far fewer crowds than the beaches closest to the ship. I think it's definitely worth the walk, or you could take one of the trams. The lagoon was my personal favorite for swimming. The turquoise water was crystal clear and warm. The water here is also much calmer than the beaches that face the ocean. This is the ideal spot to go if you want to get away from the crowds, and as you can see, there was plenty of seats available. If you're looking for a cocktail, Ocean Cay has 10 different bars. My favorite was the Lighthouse bar. Here you'll find a variety of cocktails, and you really can't beat the location. Another popular spot is Springer's Bar. And remember, if you purchase the drink package on the ship, you could use it here on the island. Beside the beaches, the other main attraction on the island is the iconic lighthouse. The lighthouse is 115 feet tall and has 165 steps to the top. You can purchase the Ocean Cay Lighthouse Climb, which gives you a guided tour of the lighthouse. During the evening, the lighthouse features 2 spectacular light shows with over 20,000 LED pixels that light up the sky. There's also a dance party after the first show. Many of MSC's cruises stay overnight, so you can enjoy Ocean Cay for 2 days. That concludes our quick tour of Ocean Cay, but I have a special announcement. During the latter part of October and into November, I'll be embarking on a 3-week cruise. The cruise will start in Seattle and go down the west coast of the United States into the Mexican Riviera, through the Panama Canal, and up to Miami. I look forward to sharing the journey with you. Once again, thanks for joining us, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.